Hello, good day to you. Welcome to Supermatics. We bring you part 2 of the geometrical constructions we started about a week ago. In today's video, we'll be constructing perpendicular lines and apply them. If you have not seen part 1, check the description below. To construct a perpendicular to a line from a point on the line, draw the line, call it AB. Then mark a point on the line, point N. It is from point N that the perpendicular will be drawn. So on either side of N, with a small radius, draw arcs to cut the line AB. Then from the two arcs, draw other arcs with the same radius to meet at N, M, then join M to N. When that is done, measure angle ANM or BNM. It should be 90 degrees because perpendicular lines meet at 90 degrees. Now, to construct a perpendicular line to a line from an external point, draw the line, then mark the external point, and it is from that line, that point, that the perpendicular will be drawn. So from that point, with a convenient radius, draw an arc to cut the line AB. Now, from where the arcs cut AB, draw other arcs to cut. Where the two new arcs meet, draw a straight line through AB from there to N. Let it meet AB at M. Then measure angle AMN. It is 90 degrees perpendicular. The third one is constructing the perpendicular from the end of a line. So we draw the line AB and we want to have the perpendicular from the end point A. So open the compasses to a small radius and draw an arc to cut AB. Then trisect the arc. That is, draw an arc and with the same radius from that arc, draw another arc to cut that arc. Then bisect the two top arcs. So where these arcs meet, join it to the point A. You can call it the point N where they meet, then join it to point A. And the next is to measure angle BAN, or you can call it angle NAB. And to see they are perpendicular lines. NA is perpendicular to NB. Now the applications. We're starting by constructing a rhombus whose diagonals are given. So the diagonals are 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Now we draw the first diagonal AC, which is 6 centimeters. Then we bisect this diagonal AC. Note that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other and they meet at right angles. So we join this bisector. Then measure it to confirm that the two lines are indeed perpendicular. Now the second diagonal is 8 centimeters, so we measure half of it, which is 4 centimeters, off a ruler. Then from where the diagonals meet, we are going to draw an arc above and below. Then join the bisector to these arcs so that we have the 4 centimeters apiece. Call them B and D. That's diagonal B and D. Then join B to A, B to C, Join C to D carefully and join A to D. The rhombus is set. So we can confirm by measuring the four sides of the rhombus. Measure side AB. AB measures 5 centimeters here. BC, as measured there, is also 5 centimeters. Side CD, equally 5 centimeters. And side AD is also 5 centimeters, confirming the fact that the size of a rhombus are equal. The second application is constructing a right angle triangle. So we are constructing a right angle triangle with adjacent side 4.5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. So we draw the adjacent side 4.5 centimeters and call it AB. The next step is to draw the perpendicular to AB at A. That's an endpoint of the line, as earlier described. So we trisect, and the two arcs on top of the big arc are bisected. Then the next is to measure the 6 centimeter, the other adjacent side, of a ruler. And after measuring it carefully, we use it to draw an arc from A on top of A. Then we join A to the arc, making sure that it passes through the two arcs that earlier drawn for the perpendicular. Then we can measure the angle to confirm that it is indeed 90 degrees, that the two lines are perpendicular. Yes, they are, after which we join C to B for the hypotenuse in order to complete the right angle triangle. Then we measure BC, the hypotenuse side, according to the question. This measures at 7.5 centimeters. Another application is the construction of rectangles. So we are constructing here a rectangle 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So we draw the first side, AB, 7 centimeters. The next is to construct the perpendicular to the point A. Then bisect the two arcs on top of the bigger arc as usual. Now, before you draw any line, measure the second side of the triangle, the 4 centimeters of a ruler. Then from the point A, draw an arc above the two previous arcs, that's the 4 centimeters. Then join this arc through the two meeting arcs to the point A. Confirm that they are indeed perpendicular lines. Then measure up the 4 centimeters again from A to the line just drawn and use it to draw an arc on top of B from B. Then measure off the line AB 7 centimeters. That's going to form the opposite side of the rectangle. Use it to join the two arcs together. That is the arc on top of A, the 4 centimeters, to the one on top of B. Let them meet at the point C, while the other one is D. Then join B to C and C to D for the other sides of the rectangle. Finally, measure BC to confirm that it is indeed 4 centimeters because opposite sides of your rectangle must be equal. Then measure CD, that is also 7 centimeters. The next application is the construction of a square. All the sides of a square are equal and we are constructing a square of size 6 centimeters. So we draw the first side, AB, 6 centimeters. Then construct the perpendicular to the end point A as usual. Now before you join the lines again, measure off the 6 centimeters. Then from A, draw an arc on top of A, just over the two intersecting arcs. Draw an arc on top of B from B as well. Then join the arc on top of A to the point A. Now, from that, measure to confirm that it is indeed a right angle, that is, the two lines are perpendicular. Then, from the arc on top of A, draw an arc with the same 6 centimeters to cut the one on top of B. Then call the point C and call the other one on top of AD. Then join B to C. Join C to D as well. Finally, measure BC. It gives 6 centimeters. Measure CD. It also gives 6 centimeters. AD. That also gives 6 centimeters, confirming that all the sides of a square are equal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Watch out